In line with government's COVID-19 regulations, political parties cancelled Human Rights Day events. This year's celebrations were to be themed the Year of Unity, Socio-economic Renewal and Nation Building. We asked political parties to send through their messages.
March 21st, the day South Africans remember all those who lost their lives in the 1960 Sharpeville massacre. But this year is different, with no official celebrations amid the global health crisis. Political parties, though, are still commemorating one of South Africa's significant days.
As we mark this important anniversary, we, the people of South Africa, must pay tribute to this exceptional generation for their bravery in the struggle for liberation.
We are calling for more South African heroes to emulate the sacrifices of those who gave their lives in 1960.
It is our responsibility as we have these rights to protect these institutions as well. And so on behalf of all in the ACDP, we wish you a blessed Human Rights Day.
There is no way that we as the Congress of the People can go out and celebrate Human Rights Day when thousands of people are sitting without water, toilets, proper street.
Human Rights Day in this country will always remind us about our past, which is characterized by misuse of power by the powers that be then.
The COVID-19 outbreak weighs heavily on minds.
All events for March and April until after Easter, they have been cancelled until such time that the virus is contained. We cannot be careless and put our people together, not knowing how to detect this case. That's what frustrates a lot of us.
It is indeed regrettable that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we have had to postpone the anniversary rally celebrations. However, at the core of our existence as the IFP, we believe in placing the needs of our country above the needs of politics.
At the moment, we are threatened with the coronavirus, and everybody is standing together despite their differences. And that is actually proof that we can stand together to fight a specific threat.
We celebrate this year's Human Rights Day facing one of the biggest crises our nation has ever faced. COVID-19 is tearing through our villages, our towns and our cities across the country, putting the health of our citizens at huge risk, but also putting our economy at major risk.
What is currently happening in our country with the coronavirus, we need to make sure that we as citizens will adhere to all of the stipulations as highlighted by the state president.
The NFP believes that we have less to celebrate when women and children are still a day-to-day object of abuse in this country.
As the nation pays tribute to the fallen heroes of 1960, political leaders are pleading with South Africans to adhere to the COVID-19 regulations. Natasha Piri, SABC News, Johannesburg.